After a short stop admiring the beautiful Hawke Falls and the view over Taupo and Taupo Lake, I continue my journey on to Napier. Napier is in Hawke's Bay, on the east coast of the North Island. Hawke's Bay Province was founded in 1858 as a province in New Zealand, after being separated from the Wellington Province following a meeting in Napier in February 1858. One of the main cities in Hawke's Bay is Napier, and I lived here happily for many a year. Captain James Cook and his crew were the first Europeans to see the future site of Napier when they sailed down the east coast in October 1769. After 1830, the site was visited and later settled by European traders, whalers and missionaries. By 1850, the farmers and hotel keepers arrived. In 1931, Napier was struck by an earthquake at 10:47 a.m. on the 3rd of February, killing 256, injuring thousands, and devastating the Hawke's Bay region. A more recent disaster struck on February the 14th, 2023, when Cyclone Gabrielle caused widespread damage, flooding, and extreme isolation for Napier. The Napier wastewater treatment plant in Waikato and associated industrial area were completely flooded as water flowed the Tukikuri River. There were 11 deaths, with one person still missing to this day. Enjoy my photo shoot as I walk through the central business district in Napier itself. Napier is a popular tourist city with a unique concentration of 1930s Art Deco and, to a lesser extent, Spanish mission architecture, built after much of the city was razed in the 1931 earthquake. It also has one of the most photographed tourist attractions in the country, a statue on Marine Parade of Pania on the reef. Thousands of people flock to Napier every February for the Art Deco weekend, a celebration of its Art Deco heritage and history. Other noticeable tourist events attracting many outsiders to the region annually include the Food and Wine Classic events and the Mission Estate concerts at the Mission Estate Winery in the suburb of Tairāwhiti. Yes, it was time for lunch. And after lunch, I will take you into Tairāwhiti. I will give you a glimpse of the Mission Winery and also a few of the homes that I lived in. I had 3 addresses here while in Napier. And yes, there have been changes to the houses, but it was quite good to see them again, regardless of whether I approved of the changes. Anyway, we'll go for another meander through Napier, this time Tairāwhiti, after lunch.
Yeah, they're not freezing.
This is Tairāwhiti. It's a very large suburb of Napier, and we had some wonderful years here. The eldest 2 children went to primary school here. Our first house is now a dental surgery with a ramp up to the front door. The second house was a large section now subdivided, and the house is still being beautifully kept in style. That made me smile. The third house, unfortunately, has changed a lot, and certainly not for the better, in my opinion, that is. Although my stay was short, I saw a lot, met up with some wonderful friends, and had a great time, and I was pleased to share these photos with you. Now, don't go away before you've subscribed and left a comment. Thanks so much for sharing your time with me. It is much appreciated, and I hope to see you here again soon. Bye for now.